Hello there, I'm Doc from glowgadgets.com. You're watching glowgadgets.tv and this is the LifeMax Starlight clock. And my daughter's got one of these. She absolutely loves it. In fact, this is hers. And as you can see, it changes colour and it projects pretty stars on the ceiling. It also makes noises as well. So you can press the right button. Relaxing sounds to help you or your child get to sleep. That one's going to wake you up, obviously. This is my Molly's favourite, the birds. I'm just going through them here. An idea what they sound like. It's my favourite for night time. Close your eyes and you're on the beach. Minus the warmth, obviously. And that's the LifeMax Natural Sound Starlight Clock. And I'm sure you'll agree it's very pretty, very nice. And it's now available from glowgadgets.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.